everybody. Buenos dias. Alright, today our sales are at $382,384. We're at 18 today, 86% of the month left, and as you can see, we're actually 16% of budget, so we're actually ahead of budget right now, so I think we're ahead by like 2%, so we're doing well. Alright, hot things or issues we got going on is, Robin, could you do me a favor and give me a count of all the Philtran Gaylords, like what's in corrugated Gaylords? If you can give me a quick count on that, what we have in the warehouse. Also WP1, do you know where we're still not running that? Still what? Okay. Alright, and then obviously when Geo14 gets changed over, that's going to be hot to go in. Okay. You want to go ahead? I'm going to bring up a picture.
Alright, Jimmy, where are you at? Oh, there you are. Alright, things that we got going on the big side. 16 to get the INS 8. We need to get those parts ran off. 7 needs to, we need to finish up build 32. And work with maintenance in case that press overheats. 21, we need to get the Bosch 85. Those parts need to ship tomorrow. 20, we need to finish off the 96s so we can be done with those. So we can switch over to the new part number for incinerator. 10. Can you get the Clack 8 sample done so we can get on the Clack 9? Assuming we gotta run 14 today, so if we gotta call in an operator, we gotta call in an operator. And then for the tool room guys, we're gonna pull SYS 134 so we can get that. I know it's not gonna get done today, I'm just telling you we're gonna pull it. That's what Frank said we had spares. So we're gonna pull it out just so you guys know, and we'll need to get that repaired. And then Jimmy, we got to make sure, and I know Jose, you guys got it, but we got to get the 70 sorted.
Right. So also, I want to go over what issue we've been talking with Industrial Laboratories the last 3 days. Is that's IL1 part, and it's looking down the side where our piston goes. And as you can see, we have a small step on that. We had basically an insert with a pin that went through it. So where those two interact, we have a step. What happens when they put their O-ring on the piston, they gotta push it in, it hits the edge of that ring, and it rolls the O-ring back, and it doesn't seal going forward. So we have their line shut down right now. All Cabby 16s are bad. We're working on a rework process, I think we have, but now we gotta define how we're gonna do it, how do you want to say, production style, not where it's not hand-fed. And then Bob and Steve are actually flying out there tomorrow at 6 o'clock in the morning to go see their line and see what's going on. So that's a big issue that we're going to work through, okay? So we got to make sure we got to figure out how we're going to inspect that. I don't have an idea how we're going to do that yet. Hopefully we'll get more information when you get back on Monday on how we can do that, okay? All right, pictures. Miss Allen. She was smiling. She came in early to do it. She was so excited. You probably couldn't even sleep thinking about it, right? Okay.